How to accept shared album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. If someone invites you to a shared album, then you will get an invitation in this app. As you can see, you have already received an invitation. Tap on the invitation to open it. Then, tap on the Accept to join this shared album. Tap on the album to view it. Following these steps, you can easily accept shared album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.